Mars? Are you beating everybody up?
Yeah, good girl. Yeah, get that thing. Get it. Yes, good girl. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Good girl. Shake that thing. Yeah, you get it. Yes. A good girl. Yes. That a girl, Venus. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Get that thing. Yeah. Ooh, ouch. You got me. You got me. You got me. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, did you get that thing? Yeah, did you take care of it?
Get the ball. Yeah. Here, get it. Puppies, get the ball. Yeah.
Who is it?
Is that Jupiter with the ball? Is that Jupiter with the ball? Yeah. Is that Mr. Jupiter? No, it's Venus. Hi, Venus. Get your ball.
Mars, get the ball. Good boy. Venus, get your volleys.
Yeah, good girl. Come on, puppy. Yes, good girl, Venus. Good girl. Good boy, Jupiter. Yeah.
Oh, he says, oh, yeah, he says, I got my ball.
Yeah. Yeah, I got my ball. Mars.
Oh, did he take your ball? There's a red one.
Yeah. Here. Get it, Venus. Good girl. Good girl, little Venus. Yes. Yeah, my little Venus.
Oh, she says, I got the ball. Here, get it.
Where is it? Here we go. Get it. Get your ball. Go get it. What are you pawing at me for? You gotta go get your ball.
Oh, did you want to get picked up?
Huh? Did you want to get picked up? Did you want to get picked up? Huh? Did you want to get picked up, big boy Mars? Yeah, big boy. Where's your ball? Go find it. Find the ball, bud.
Oh, yeah, look at that little bellies. Oh, yeah, look at the bellies.
Get your ball.
He says, I want Venus's ball. Get the ball.
Here it is. Where did it go? Venus! Yay! Good girl! Good girl! Did you bring Mama the ball? Yeah, and what about you? Who is this? This is my big boy Mars. Is this the big boy? Where's your ball? Where is it? He said, don't pick me up. Where's my octopus? An octopus? What an octopus is? Oh yeah. Is that a dragon? Huh? Is that a dragon? Or an alligator? I guess it's an alligator. It's the alligator. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Good girl. That a girl, Venus. Yeah. Is that what it is? Look at that little pink belly. You got pinks. You got a pink belly. Ouch. That was my belly that you got. There they are. Jupiter and Venus. Get that alligator. Get the gator. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Get that gator. You got the octopus, Mr. Mars. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Is it the gator? You got the gator, Venus. Huh? You got the gator, Venus and Jupiter's. Huh? Yeah. You're gonna bite his paw now. Yeah. Oh, is that a doggy on the TV? You hear it go? Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Get that thing. Ooh. Yeah. You got the string. You want to get the toy. Who's got it? The Three Musketeers got it. Yeah. Is that Mr. Who is that? Is that Mr. Mars in the middle? Oh. Now is it? Who is it? Oh, did you beat up your sister? Poor honey. Yeah, good boy, Mars. Yeah, good girl, Venus. Yeah, that a girl. Yeah, good girl. Yes, good boy. Good boy, yes. And a boy, ready? Yes, yes, my good little man, Jupiter, yeah. Yeah, get it. Ooh, yes, look at that. Ooh, get that. Ooh, yes. Good boy, Mars. Yeah, that's my boy. Get that thing. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Good boy, bud. Yeah. Ooh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Look at that. Jupiter. Mr. Handsome. Yeah, are you handsome? Yeah. And there he is. There he is. Mr. Mars. Hi, Mars. Beep, puppy, puppy, puppy. He says, what can I chew on? Huh? Hey. Mars. You don't need to chew on that. No. Where's the little girl? Huh? Here she is, Miss Venus. Venus! Hi, Venus. Venus. Are you beautiful?
Get the ball.
Good boy.
Puppy